did a lot of cutting. I had 12 sheets I had to cut out perfectly, and that's kind of a lot. We're going to be talking about how to put these all together. So some of the things I have here, we're going to talk about some glues. I've got wood glue. Your parents might have that for doing home repairs. White school glue, right? So that might be something that you can use. Guess he's going. Okay, great. Hot glue gun, that's what I'm going to use. They work great, and I've got it heating up right now. I cut a whole bunch of little pieces here, and these little pieces are going to be used to connect the cardboard together. It's not so easy to join it together, so I'm going to show you how those cardboard connectors would work. Okay, right here I have 2 pieces of cardboard, and I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to hold up closely, but you can see that the lines go this way. The idea for the connector is that if we flex it just right in the direction that the lines go, we can make a hinge. Okay, so we can make a hinge like that, and that'll work great. If we were to go the opposite direction, so the lines are going this way, and we bend it, see how it breaks and it doesn't work so well? So if you want to fold cardboard, try folding it like that. Okay, the hot glue gun is now heated up enough. As you can see, the glue is dripping off of there. What we're going to do here is we're going to create a hinge, and that hinge is going to connect both the sides together. In order to put the hot glue on, I've heated it up, I've had it plugged in, and I put something underneath it, like some cardboard, and I'm going to squeeze the handle, and I'm going to squeeze out a bead all over it of the hot glue. Okay? And while it's still melted, I'm going to place it onto the cardboard. I'm lining this up so that I've got a nice hinge, and that'll allow me to glue the other side on. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right there. You got a nice hinge. All right. Okay, I got these 2 parts assembled together, and I've got the top part here assembled. How are we going to join these parts together? We're going to use these tabs on the inside, and we're going to kind of glue them like that so that we have something to glue to. So I'm going to just simply, put the glue on, put it in there. When you're putting it on, you got to hold it for a second so it cools down. Okay, I'm back. Look, I finished. How awesome is that? I put all the pieces together. I think I did a nice job on cutting. One of the only things I'm not so happy with is when you look in the inside, you can see the writing and you can see these hinges. Maybe if I spray painted or painted the inside black and maybe did like silver or rusted metal on the outside, that might look cool. But overall, I haven't done a cardboard sculpture in a while, but overall I'm pretty happy with the result.